Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kaz Harai.
Ridge Racer! The essence of the PlayStation DNA is real change, and the consumers are ready.
Genji 2 is an action game which is based on Japanese history.
Ridge Racer!
Being based on history, the stages of the game will also be based on famous battles which actually took place in ancient Japan. So here's this giant enemy crab.
Ridge Racer!
And you attack its weak point for massive damage.
It's Ridge Racer! Ridge Racer! PlayStation 3 will retail for $599 US, $599 US, $599 US.
Giant enemy crab.
$599 US. It's Ridge Racer! Ridge Racer!